Hi, welcome back to my channel and another video. I just got back from Greece, so I'm still a little jet lagged, and I wanted to do another, budget meal, but I just didn't have the strength to pull it all together. But I did want to do a video for you. So I'm going to be showing you a really quick, easy, creamy pasta salad that is absolutely amazing for summer. And it's light, it's delicious, and I think you're going to really like it. So that's coming up. I may slip in some clips of Greece in there, I don't know, or I may be doing just a separate video showing you the food I ate, the scenery. It was a beautiful trip, but I am still a little jet lagged. It seems the older I get, the harder it is to recover. Going there, no problem, but coming home, so I'm a little bit out of it. Anyway, I am still working on getting 40,000 subscribers by my 70th birthday in October. I think I need about 780 more, so we're getting so close. There's about 21 weeks left until the end of October. So I know we're gonna do it, and I'm gonna have a giveaway for you guys. And I ended up filming this over 2 days, so if you see me in different outfits, that's why. You're not going crazy. So let's get started on this easy, creamy, high-protein pasta salad. So I wanted to make the dressing first for the pasta salad. And this is going to be my creamy 3-2-1 dressing. I've got some yogurt in here. This isn't my homemade yogurt. I've been on vacation and haven't had a chance to make more yogurt. So I just have some Kite Hill yogurt, the plain, and that's totally fine. If you do have your homemade yogurt, you're just gonna do about 2/3 cup. And then we're gonna add the ingredients for the 3-2-1 and whisk it all together. So I'm using Rocky Mountain Olive Oil Company balsamic, and this is the white peach, one of my favorites. So we'll add 3 tablespoons here. Next up is any kind of mustard. I'm going to use some spicy brown. You could use Dijon. I do that from time to time. Whatever kind of mustard you like. And we're going to do 2 tablespoons. And then just 1 tablespoon of pure maple syrup. And the best price in town is at Costco. So we're just gonna whisk it together. And if you feel like it's too thick, you can thin it out with a little bit of water. But I kind of like it on the thicker side. It coats all the noodles in the pasta salad. But that's totally up to you. All right, we're gonna set this aside, and then we're gonna put our pasta salad together. So to make sure I'm getting a lot of protein, I use the chickpea pasta, and this will give me 12 grams per serving of protein. So I have 2 servings of the pasta in here because I'm gonna split this with my husband. So I just cook this to package directions, let it drain. And then we're just gonna start adding in all the ingredients. So what you're gonna find with this salad, let me show you the ingredients here. I've got olives, peppers, cucumber, onion, tomatoes, artichoke hearts. I've got some pumpkin seeds, some hemp hearts, and then I'll put my dressing over it. But what you're gonna notice is there's more veggies than there is pasta. And that is a good way to keep the calories down. Make sure that you are getting a lot of bulk and a lot of fiber that's gonna fill you up, but you're still getting your pasta, and it's just a lot healthier way to build your plate. All right, so I'm just going to start adding in the veggies here into the bowl, and use a big bowl so you can toss it once you get the dressing on. So I've got the artichoke hearts, tomatoes, and then I will leave all the ingredients, amounts, I'll do it in grams and in like tablespoons or whatever. And this is just such a super, super duper healthy salad. And if I was smart, I would have got my scraper, but too late now. All right, so we've got our veggies in here, and what I like to do is just put some of the dressing on, toss it a bit, and then add the rest. And then we're gonna salt and pepper to taste. And then I'll add the rest of the dressing. I'm gonna add the sunflower seeds. All right, here we go, finished product. It looks delicious. Let's give this a taste. It's such a good combo with the yogurt, makes it creamy, and then that tang from the dressing. And all those veggies, perfect. So the macros on this is 442 calories per serving, 12 grams of fat. That's going to come from the yogurt. It's going to come from the pumpkin seeds and the hemp seeds mostly. 25 grams of protein and 71 grams of carbs. And I'm probably going to add some tofu to mine. So that's going to probably bump it up another, I won't use a full serving of tofu, but probably another 7 or 8 grams of protein. So it'll be well over 30 grams of protein. So if you wanted to bump it up even more, you could add some tofu, tempeh. That would get you up there to closer to 30 grams for your meal. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and share it with your friends. And if you've made it this far in the video, please comment below with summer salad, and that way I know you made it to the end with me, and I really appreciate it. And I would love your help with reaching my goal of 40,000 subscribers by my 70th birthday in October. So if you haven't already subscribed, please do. And for those of you that have, I'm so grateful and thank you so much. Be sure to check out the description box where the full recipe will be and all the resources that I offer. And also check out my Facebook group. And just a reminder, if you do apply for that, please, please, please answer the member questions. If you do not, I'm not going to let you in. I want to make sure that you're not a robot, you're a real person. So just make sure you agree to the group rules and then I will approve it. So that's it for today. And I will be continuing my budget meals and, you know, my high protein meals and my easy meals, all those things that you love to come to my channel for. And remember that all my recipes are good for you, they're good for the animals, and they're good for the planet, and what you put on your plate determines your fate. Until next time, thank you.